Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. You're here with me, Ben, and today, as I said already, we're taking a look at the DJI Osmo Pocket. That is a mouthful. It's an amazing camera. It shoots in 4K 60 FPS. It is amazing. The microphone on it is amazing too, and it comes in around 350 euros, I think. I'll have that corrected down below somewhere. So, let's get right into it. The DJI Osmo Pocket is really a very beautiful and small camera. But when you turn that thing on, it's like when you get out of bed in the morning, it starts going left and right and stretching its neck all over the place, you know?
So, what actually comes in the box with the DJI Osmo? Well, we have the actual DJI Osmo. It comes with various adapters so that you can plug the phone, the camera into your phone. It comes with this very nice case for carrying the Osmo. And it comes with a USB Type-C cable.
Now, one thing that's really good about the DJI Osmo is that it's so small. Here you can see it next to my Samsung S7 on the right and my Samsung S3 on the left. Now, one thing that is quite difficult to work with the DJI Osmo is the small screen on it. It has a very small touch screen. Like you can see, it's practically the size of my thumb when I'm moving left and right on it. But it is good to use. It's a very responsive screen to the touch. Now you can get around this by using the adapter that is part of the camera. This plugs into your phone. There are different variations for the different phones, and it gives you a much bigger screen so that you can see your full shot. You're able to adjust things a lot more on it, and it's just a lot more easily to deal with. So as you can see, I have the Osmo running in 180p at the minute because it won't do what I want it to in 4K, which is the tracking. So as you can see on the phone, I'm moving out of the shot, whereas the Osmo is still tracking me and moving the shot with me, which is great, so that I'm always in the center of the shot, whereas my phone does stay in the one place. So as I said a minute ago, unfortunately with the Osmo, when it's in the 4K mode, it won't do the tracking, so when I do move, I won't be in the center of the shot like the phone. So that is one disadvantage, but the footage is... And this is all going to be raw. I'm not going to touch this up or anything when I edit it in. So you'll be able to see the nice raw footage from the Osmo itself. Now the Osmo has 3 different positional modes on it. There is the FPS mode, there's the follow mode, and then there's the third mode on it, which is called tilt lock. Now with tilt lock, it locks the position that the camera is in, so you can move forward and backwards with it in the same position, and you can get some really cool shots like this. Now, one of my biggest problems with the DJI Osmo is that when you're trying to take the SD card in and out, there's a bit of a knack to it, and it is quite difficult if you don't have long nails. As you can see, it really takes a good shimmy to get that thing in fully. So, to conclude, would I recommend getting the DJI Osmo Pocket? I highly recommend it. It is a great camera, the quality is amazing, and I use it all the time. The battery is pretty good as well. It seems to last in or around 3-ish hours. I've never used it for that long straight. So that's pretty good, especially for such a small device. And the quality, as I said, is amazing, and I highly recommend it. DJI are always really dependable as well. And it's basically a gimbal, so I mean, you got stabilization, it's amazing. So if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. We're still trying to hit 200 subscribers. I'd like to do it before the end of the summer, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.